In today's video, I will show you how to achieve this 10-minute fresh spring makeup look using only 5 products. For this 10-minute fresh spring makeup look, first thing we're going to do is use a skin tint or BB cream, CC cream. Today I am using the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint. And if you haven't seen my review for this product yet, you should definitely go watch it. I will link it down below in my description box. This skin tint for me is everything. I am an oily skin girl and this lasts on my face. I'm not kidding. The first product I will be using is the skin tint, and I will be using a brush to blend this out. I am using a brush because it is going to blend this very fast and easily. And look at this, we're already done with one side of the face, and I think it looks great. I really like it. It's my favorite skin tint, hands down, for sure. Second product I will be using is a concealer. It's going to help to cover my dark circles and look more awake. I think it's a essential step when doing a 10-minute makeup look. I am using the Catrice High Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to put this under my eyes, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, on my chin as well. I'm using a brush again to blend this out because it's gonna keep the high coverage. One trick when blending your concealer with a brush, use tapping motions. Don't swipe the product because it's going to disturb everything and create little streaks. So you're always going to tap for a smooth and flawless finish. We're gonna go on the lids a little bit, just in the inner corner. It's gonna brighten this area here like you applied a lighter shadow. You will understand the effect at the end. Now that this is all blended out, I like to go back with my foundation brush and go around the edges of the concealer so that everything is seamless. Now we are moving on to our third product. It's setting the whole face. I will be using the One Size setting powder, and here's how we're going to set everything. For under the eyes, you will be needing a powder puff. These are super affordable on Amazon. So first, with the powder puff, we're setting under the eyes, and everywhere else we applied the concealer. So in my cap, taking a bit of the powder, using the back of my hand, I will be tapping so that the powder is smoothed out and laying flat on the powder puff. Before setting, please take your brush, blend out the creases before setting with the powder. I like to look up in the mirror so there's no creasing while I'm doing that. I'm going to press gently. I'm also going to set my entire lid with it. I like to take the time to set my smile lines because these are the first to show up on my face after a couple of hours wearing makeup. I'm going to set my nose as well because we put concealer down there, using a bit on my forehead. Then using again the setting powder, this time I will be using a face powder brush. Why? Because it's going to be less concentrated. So I dip into my cap, I tap the excess, and I'm gonna sweep this all over my face. You can see my face is all set. To bring back a little bit more structure and warmth, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place bronzer. The bronzer is the fourth product, and this is really where the magic's going to happen. I'm going to dip into the 2 colors. I'm going on my cheekbones where I usually contour and place the bronzer. I'm going to put some on my forehead as well. I'm using this angle fluffy powder brush. Now, if you compare the 2 sides, you can see how I am more warmed up and contoured or structured on this side of the face. Remember when I was telling you to add concealer just in the inner part? Now what we're going to do is use the bronzer. I'm using the top shade here, and I'm going to just sweep it on my outer V, you know, just to create a little bit more structure. I'm also going to drag it towards my temples. We are using this powder as well to contour our nose. The fifth and last product is blush. We need a little bit of blush so we can look a little girly. I'm using the Sephora collection blush. I'm going to mix the two shades, and this is adding more warmth to the skin as well. I'm going back with my powder brush just to tone down a little bit the nose contour. So this is how we're looking so far. I'm going to add some extra steps. These steps are optional, so you can definitely leave it here. This is how I go out when I do groceries, when I run errands. You know, this is quick. I can achieve this under 10 minutes. The next optional steps is just to bring it up a little notch. The next extra steps, very easy, mascara. You can add mascara to add more dimension to the eyes. I will be using the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. And you can see it just adds a little bit to the eyes, but you know, I don't have long lashes, but it's adding a little bit. I will be aligning my lips, again, optional. I will be using my Makeup Forever lip pencil. Then I will be using my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Maybelline. The mascara and the lip combo are the little extra steps that, in my opinion, brings the look up a little notch. What are your thoughts? This is how you can do a quick 10-minute makeup look for a fresh spring look. Please share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not part of the squad yet. It's free. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I will see you all on my next one.